Cells are the basic functional unit in our body. Cells on a regular basis, we have trillions and trillions of them throughout our body everywhere. They divide on a regular basis. As they divide, they mature. This is actually how we age, and this is how we age all the time. Within a cell, you have this thing called the nucleus. The nucleus is actually is everything that we're composed of in our body is inside the nucleus. All our genetic material is in here. Within this nucleus, there actually are these things called chromosomes. Chromosomes have all the genetic material on them in our body. And then actually what protects a cell and the chromosome is this thing called a telomere. Telomeres are the caps on the outside of the chromosome. These caps, think of them as the ends of a shoelace, the little plastic caps on the ends of a shoelace. As we age and a cell divides, these things are clipped on a regular basis. The older the cell, the shorter the telomere gets, until a certain point that whole plastic cap is completely gone, and it's called critically short telomere. At that point, what happens is the cell can no longer divide. It's an age-old cell. So what we're going to discuss today is a particular product called Laminine from Life Farm, and this product is a capsule that you take on a regular basis. Individuals took capsules, and then for up to 90 days they took these capsules, and specific time points we measured. We measured telomerase activity. Now what's the difference between telomere length and telomerase activity? So one way that your body naturally combats this cutting, what we discussed about in telomeres on a regular basis, is by having an enzyme. An enzyme is also a protein in your body. Your body is full of proteins, loaded with proteins. One thing it actually does is this enzyme adds these sequences on top of it. So as your body cuts them, this enzyme actually adds them on to safeguard the cell from aging. And the level of testing that Life Farm has actually done on this is very, very impressive. Very few companies, especially in the case of supplements or nutraceuticals, will actually do this. Will actually look at their product, what is contained in the product, and what the product can possibly do.